What's good, gang? Welcome back again to another video. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about something really underrated, like in the Forex community. Nobody really talks about it much. And it's actually, it can be crucial. It can be the one thing that you're really struggling with that could take you to the whole new level, right? Trading in sessions. Yes, trading in sessions. Guys, not many people actually do it. And then they will be stuck in a consolidation market and be like, why is the market not moving? Well, because your specific pair that you're trading is not moving in this specific time. So you have to know what pair you're trading and when they move, right? And how they move. That's why I always recommend to stick to 1 to 3 max pairs to trade. Master these 3 or master this one or whatever it is. Focus on one, because that one, you only need one to make money. I don't know why people need so many pairs to trade when you're not even making money. Just focus on one, master this one, start getting consistent on one pair. Then you can maybe explore other pairs and see which one you prefer. More volatility, less volatility, up to you. The point, what I want to tell you is trading in session is very important. And this little indicator, it's called sessions on charts, will really help you and will remind you to trade in session. So if you forget maybe and you see a trade and you just want to enter just because you want to enter and make money, but you can see that this is not the right session for this trade, it can really kind of put you in perspective and be like, okay, shit, maybe I shouldn't trade right now. I should wait for the session, then take a trade. So search sessions on charts right here. It's the first one that will come up. Obviously, I have it favorite, but you can just search sessions on charts, favorite, keep it in your favorite list, and just place it on your charts like that. What I like to do personally, obviously this is up to you. I like to untick all these plots. I like my charts as clean as I possibly can get them, and then I also like to make the transparency or capacity a little bit higher. I like to make it like 30, just for the sake of this video, just so that it's more visible and you guys are able to see it more. Boom, 30, and this is Asia session 30. Perfect, just like that. See how beautiful that is? Now this will give you an idea of what your pair like to do in different sessions. We got Tokyo session, Asia, we got London, and then we have New York. You can see this is an overlap. This is where literally the most of the volatility happen, obviously, because this is a pound yen, and this mini little section here between 7 and 9 is the most volatile as well, because that's when Asia and London collapse. So just looking at this tells me a lot of things. It tells me that my pair does not like to move in this time. Look at that. When London New York collapse is over around 5, boom, the market is dead. Look at that, dead. Market is moving sideways. So maybe you are in a trade and you think like, why is the market not moving? Because, well, obviously this specific pair that you're trading does not move in this time of the day, right? So having these on your charts really shows you, okay, I can see my pair moves a lot in Asia and in London, so therefore I will only be trading in these 2 sessions. This here is dead. You can see the market is literally moving sideways and printing tiny candles. You do not want to be stuck in this, right? You do not want to be stuck in this. You're in profit, and then you in drawdown, then you in profit, then you in drawdown again. It's really frustrating, so we want to avoid that as much as we can. The goal here is to enter the market, right? Let's say Asia session starts, cool, you see a setup, you enter, boom, you get your movement, you get your 20 pips, 30 pips, whatever the trade is, and then you're out, in out. That is the goal in trading, not to be on the laptop, on the charts 24 hours a day. So yeah, just looking at this tells me that my pair does not like to move from here to here. Boom, cool. Now obviously go back in time and see if this really happens more often. You can see, okay, Asia moves, London moves, cool. New York, not so much. Asia moves, boom, 200 pips, over 200 pips movement within Asia session and London session. New York, dead. don't want to trade at. Cool. Pound yen, I never want to trade in New York, I just want to trade in London and Asia. See, perfect. Here we have a low consolidation in Asia. Maybe that's because market was waiting for news, so be careful with news as well, because you see here, boom, London opens, market drops a little bit, and then boom, I'm sure this is news. If not, this is absolutely insane, because this could be over 200 pip move. So imagine you wanted to enter a trade from New York and you were stuck in this whole consolidation, and then in London, that's when you got your movement. So rather wait until London, enter the trade. But obviously, if you're trading like a Euro USD, it's going to be different sessions, right? It's going to be New York and London, because it's Euro and it's US. So go back in time, let's see, same thing over and over and over again. Asia, boom, London, boom. See what I mean? It only moves in Asia and London, and therefore I will only be taking trades in London and in Asia session. Guys, I hope this video helped you out. Not many people actually trade in session. They just enter trades whenever. If you are one of these people that actually just enters a trade just for the sake of it, even if it's like the perfect setup you're waiting for, if it's not the right session for the specific pair you're trading, it's not going to move much. Maybe you're right about the trade, but it's only going to move when the time is right, which is in session, right? So yeah, guys, if you found this video helpful at all, please leave a like on this video, subscribe down below, and comment so that YouTube can recommend these videos to a lot more people, and we can help as many people as we can. That being said, guys, obviously I will leave all the links down below: Telegram, Discord, beautiful community. I send all the trades that I take on there. And with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.